There are a lot of chopstick tips out there. A lot of them really good. This one's actually probably my favorite. If you're ever trying to store something in your refrigerator and you have some unusual containers, especially in containers that don't have lids on them, and you're like, okay, how can I stack these two? Chopsticks can do it. You just put 2 chopsticks on there, put more if you want, and you can just go and put the bowl on there. Works great. Something I actually like doing in addition to this is you can actually put rubber bands on your chopsticks. Just adds more security. This thing's not going to roll off. Tip works amazingly well.